Enjoy every moment, don't let it go. Life is a river, just let it flow. Every heartbeat, every breath is a little gift we get. Enjoy every moment, laugh and be free. There's so much beauty around me. In the sunlight, in the sky, in the chance to be alive. Morning light upon my face, soft wind moving through the trees. Little whispers of the day carry hope with every breeze. Footsteps on a quiet street, simple smiles I pass along. Life is playing gentle music, and today I sing along.